What is the most challenging part of learning Russian cursive? Is it the letters you're trying to write for the first time in your life? Or the letters you have already been familiar with, but now you see them in a different role, representing another sound? Actually, both can be quite challenging, isn't it? Hi and welcome to the second part of our Master Russian Handwriting videos. In this part, we will learn how to write another 12 letters from Russian alphabet. Letter E. E. Igla. Letter Y. Y. Yogurt. Letter K. K. Колокольчик. Letter L. Л. Лягушка. There is a very strict and important rule when connecting these three letters, L, M, Ya, with a letter that comes before them in a word. Like it is shown in the example here, instead of making straight lines like you do when connecting other letters, you do a small wave-like connection here, so that the letters L, M, Ya cannot be mistaken for any other similar letter. Letter M. M. Медведь. Letter N. N. Ниндзя. Letter O. О. Обезьяна. Letter P. P. Пила. Letter R. R. Робот. Letter S. С. Сова. Letter T. T. Тостер. Letter U. U. Утка. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for our new upcoming videos by clicking the subscribe button.